Hey guys, this is TJJ here, and today I am doing the 11th Doctor's Sonic Screwdriver, and right now we're just gonna review it and stuff. So let's just open the box. I'm just gonna set this down here. Could you see that? You kind of could. So I'm just gonna open it up. I already put the batteries in. Like, batteries are already in, I just put them in. So let's just take this out. Pull it out. So here it is, the 11th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver. It's a pretty cool toy. And it makes 2 sounds and 2 hidden sounds, so that's pretty cool. What I like about it, it makes hidden sounds, and it just looks so real. Other than the 10th Sonic Screwdriver, it just looks amazing and stuff. So yeah. And I'm just going to show you the sounds. So here's the first sound. Oh, actually, that's to put it up. Sorry. Here's the sound. There's the first sound. And I like how it lights up green. Here's the second sound. And the hidden sounds, you have to press the button 2 times. 1, 2. And then hold down on the 3. It'll make that kind of like vasery sound. And if you press it 3 times, hold on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, but you press. I don't know why it's not working right now. But you press it 3 times and then hold it on the 4th. Let's just try one more time. Okay, there we go. And it sounds like it's breaking up. So that's just like pretty cool. So it's just a pretty cool toy. It looks real. Oh yeah, and see this top button? If you press that, it like extends the claws. So that's really what I like about it. Like, it's really cool. But the thing I don't like about why it's extend, that button doesn't work. That's what sucks. But if you could see, there's a little button right there. You push that, but that just like looks a little weird. So, but the good thing is they added this button on the bottom. You just press, it's a red button. You just press it and it's like that. That's what usually I like doing. So yeah, it looks pretty cool. Why it's extended. It's just really cool. And it's a really cool toy. You should get it. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. Bye.